of the mindset of the Trump administration. And that is that this government is to be run for a handful of billionaires and people with power. And everyone else can just eat dirt. That is the view of the Trump administration. We're feeling it right now in the Social Security Administration, but we're feeling it everywhere. That Elon Musk goes with his magic chainsaw to fire people, to do it in ugly ways, to undermine the kind of obligations that we have passed here in Congress, to get rid of the consumer agency, to try to shut down the Department of Education. No! And why? It is all in service to government that works better for the rich and the powerful. This is all leading toward the Republicans, Elon Musk and Donald Trump and the Republicans here in Congress who want to push through a big tax giveaway that's going to cost $4.7 billion, go mostly to billionaires and billionaire corporations.